What if I told you that one of DJI's most underrated cameras might be getting its biggest upgrade yet? DJI Pocket 4 leaks are heating up, and the timing could not be more dramatic. In this video, we are diving into everything we know so far: the rumored launch date, the new hardware redesign, the upgraded video specs, and why DJI is rushing this device out before the end of 2025. And trust me, the section where we talk about the dual lens design and the potential second display, that is where things get really interesting. So let's unpack the latest teasers and see what DJI is cooking up for creators. Let's start with the date, because that's where the biggest clue is. Multiple reliable leaks point to a Pocket 4 announcement between December 18th and 23rd, 2025. The first hint came from Hakka Sushi on November 10th, a leaker with a strong DJI track record. And the timing makes perfect sense. The Pocket 3 launched in late October 2023, which puts us right at a 26-month refresh cycle. But here's the twist. DJI is under strict US security audits, and missing upcoming compliance deadlines could trigger FCC limitations. With the US accounting for nearly 40% of DJI's revenue, delaying the Pocket 4 past December would be a major business risk. So a pre-holiday release isn't just likely, it's essential. Now let's talk about hardware, because this is where the Pocket 4 really steps up. Early prototypes show a slightly taller body, around 140 to 150 millimeters, with a sleeker matte finish and a much better grip texture. DJI is clearly refining handheld comfort. The 3-axis gimbal stays, the tripod mount stays, and side ports seem to be returning for mics or lights. But the real wildcard is the dual-lens camera module. Some prototypes show 2 large glass elements up front, sparking rumors of optical zoom, focal length switching, or a new sensor plus depth system. Nothing is confirmed yet, but the fact that DJI is testing dual lens setups tells us they're chasing more flexibility and more cinematic shooting options. Now onto the display system, which might be the biggest change from the Pocket 3. Leaked prototypes seem to hide a secondary rear screen under camouflage tape, while the rotating touchscreen still sits up front. That suggests dual-OLED displays, perfect for both vlogging and traditional behind-the-camera shooting. The control layout also looks more refined, with smaller, more integrated buttons and a cleaner interface. And with rumors of faster touch response, smoother animations, and quicker menus, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to feel much more like a polished, smartphone-level experience. Subtle upgrades, but seriously impactful for anyone shooting daily content. Let's talk about performance, because this is where creators will notice the upgrades immediately. The taller body likely means a bigger battery, translating to longer high-resolution recording. Leaks also point to a new image processor built for better heat management, especially for heavy modes like 6K or 4K at 240 frames. Faster USB-C speeds and a redesigned thermal layout could finally fix the overheating issues during long shoots. And low light? Early testers claim the new sensor may approach the performance of DJI's latest drones, which would be a huge win for creators who want clean night footage without extra gear. And finally, pricing. Current estimates put the Pocket 4 between $699 and $799, with a possible Pro or Zoom version pushing closer to $899. Meanwhile, the Pocket 3 sitting around $529 is still an amazing deal if you don't need the newest features. Overall, the Pocket 4 looks like a thoughtful refinement. Better grip, bigger battery, upgraded displays, a more capable camera system, and a creator-focused interface. Practical upgrades for everyday shooters. So the real question is, are you upgrading, or is the Pocket 3 still enough for your workflow? Let me know below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the next Pocket 4 update.